Hi everybody, let me show you beautiful hotel in Bratislava. It's a Falkensteiner and we really enjoyed our stay. As you can see at the beginning of the video, room is very nice and spacious. Nice bathroom with a big bathtub, and then you can see there is a coffee machine with free coffees and teas, and in the room you can choose a pillow from a pillow menu. There you can see a minibar, which prices are slightly overpriced maybe. Then there is gym with a beautiful view of Bratislava Castle. There is also wellness area with a sauna and steam room with the same view. Then you can see breakfast place. It's nice and cozy with some sparkling wine, wide selection of hams, salmon, vegetable, fruit, and some sweet corner. And in the end, you can see what I picked as my favorite. Follow me for more tips. Bye!